For over 10 years, I've averaged a testosterone level of over 1,000 nanograms per deciliter. My latest test came back over 900, so not as high as the previous test, which means I must be entering my redemption arc, but still high. These results have triggered comments from you guys, such as Chad test levels. Legends say that this man is Giga Chad's dad. You're almost attaining that ultra instinct. Look at your hair. Wait, what? Save some testosterone for the rest of us. Can you start handing it out, please? Hey, look, just donate some of the extra tests to people who aren't as fortunate. Win-win. Dear people with high testosterone, give me your blood if you don't need it. Testosterone levels can fluctuate, but I have tests spread throughout 10 years of time that average out a naturally high testosterone level. Because of this, I thought I'd go through 2 habits within my lifestyle that I feel could contribute to that high testosterone level. This could be something worth trying and seeing if it worked for you. First is, I eat kangaroo.
Kangaroo is like the deer of Australia. It's very lean, and the kangaroo is not farmed. Because it is from a wild animal that's roamed freely, I feel like it's a great choice, particularly in Australia. The only issue I would say with kangaroo is in cooking it, because it's so lean. When you put it on the heat, it contracts, so it can cook quite unevenly. So prior to cooking this one, I've used the mallet.
I know it seems weird to those of you that aren't in Australia, but it really is like the deer equivalent here. So if you can't wrap your head around it, think of it like that. These are in plentiful amounts throughout the country and offer a resource for all the things that are beneficial about red meat, and then some.
Just think of it as Joe Rogan is to elk, Tyson is to kangaroo.
The second factor is sprinting. I feel sprinting has a unique contribution to testosterone levels, but I also think you can liken this sprinting association with other high intensity exercises that are pushing your body to its strength and limits of power.
Another huge part of my lifestyle is training intensity. So when I was younger, I was embracing Olympic lifting, which was all power. And now the weightlifting seems to be replaced by sprinting. I do have the planche training, which does complement strength as well for the upper body, but I don't think you can beat the intensity that sprinting offers, using all of your body for 100% effort. There seems to be a correlation of high testosterone to sprinting style workouts. Try it for yourself, see how you go, but I've found such great benefits from incorporating sprinting into my workouts, or if you want to unpack that a little bit further, always keeping high intensity into my training.
One thing as well is, I feel like you can't take away from how that replicates like the hunter-gatherer, the survival type of movement. Running for your fucking life or sprinting into war. I feel like that is super anecdotal and kind of dumb to say, but there's something about that, the rawness of the physicality to sprinting that can't be replicated with anything else. It tells your body to give me some more testosterone.
2 unique lifestyle factors that could be contributing to my naturally high testosterone levels. Check out this video if you want to see a little bit more in depth what I eat, what my diet is like. And if you have any other requests for this testosterone journey, let me know down in the comments.